5.com.au. This is a jump start and come with an air compressor. This one comes with a black handle, red handle. All you need to do is press here and take it out and charge. And we'll be showing this button. You get a power in, power out, and it also got a compressor. It's got a light and all the function here. And this one comes with a 12.1 for input. So the battery indicator. Also got a fuse here if something goes wrong. And it's got here 12 volts for where you can press. This is for the where you can put your cigarette and turn on the power. Put it back. Let's turn it back. Back here, we got this one where you can plug and actually pump up your tires. The next one is currently another charger, just to make sure everything is fine. And I want to ask. Yeah. James reporting from x5.com.au.